to Very Vegan with Terry. I am Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to show you how to do a really basic sweetener, your own homemade sweetener that you can use for syrup, you can use it in baking, you can use it for anything you want to just sweeten up a little bit naturally. So let's get started. It's really, really simple. 1 cup of dates, 1 cup of really hot water, should be boiling ideally, but as long as it's really hot, it will be fine. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're just going to blend until everything's mixed together and it's smooth. I just want to make sure that it's well blended. This is. There you have it. You can pour this on pancakes, you can put it in muffins, you can use it in puddings, you can use it anywhere that you want, just a really simple sweetener. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.